Hey guys, welcome to In TechCode. Want to learn some coding? First of all, have some guts because it's not easy at all to learn coding. But I have some information for you in this video which can help you to learn coding easily and smoothly. So, ready to go? Then come with me. Hey there, do you want to learn some coding? Are you sure? Because it's not easy at all to learn coding, as I said before. But if you have decided to learn coding, I will make coding a little easier for you. How? I will tell you the top 5 free Android apps through which you can learn coding. If you are beginner, then this video is very much helpful for you. So watch till end. Yep, my friend, here are the 5 Android apps, according to me, which can actually help you to learn coding. Yes, so without wasting more time, let's start the video for which all of you are here. So let's start it. The first and my favorite, Grasshopper. Grasshopper is the app which is the best way to learn code for beginners. It's available on both Android and iOS and also on desktop. Grasshopper is a code with Google program and I think so it can actually help you to learn coding. The second one, Programming Hub. The features of Programming Hub are great. The app is well laid out, step by step, easy instructions to follow. Comes with compiler, cheat sheet, and description of each course. Helps to gain knowledge of all programming languages. This is the thing that a coder actually needs. Knowledge of all programming languages in one app. And it's available on both Android and iOS. The third one, Solo Learn. It is possible to learn to code as a beginner with Solo Learn. The app seems to be better source to all the programming languages and it is also available on both Android and iOS. The fourth one, Code Hub. Code Hub aims to support anyone with an interest in programming and web development. It also helps in advancing their skills and knowledge and it's available on Android. The fifth one, Easy Coder. Easy Coder is an Android app that focuses on teaching Java programming exclusively. The app provides step by step interactive lessons and programming challenges which will teach you basic programming concepts. And if you want to learn Java programming, this is an amazing one and this app is available on Android. And the last thing that I have not given the order to this app according to their ability and you have to choose the one which you like the most. Now I have done my job, the rest is to be done by you and your job is that if you found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel in Tech Code.